Okay. Alright. First attempt there. See how the pullback responds. I'll give everything back. I gotta slow down here. Might want to get caught in something crazy here. It doesn't. It doesn't want to keep going. Push. That was a ladder trade. Base of the ladder. Let's go. No, maybe not. No, yes. All right. Looks like we could be good here. Let's take this trade. Holding here. No. Dang. Take a dip instead. This is good. Ladder support. Maybe not yet. 88 is VWAP. Shoot. Actually, that was a mistake. That trade was a mistake. Shoot, shoot. Trying to catch a good dip. The major reclaim that it's going to have. There's still a lot of pressure here. 88 might be in sights. Let's wait for it. We'll catch it. A lot of buyers here. Tons of buyers. We might need a few more seconds. Here we go. The green volume is still pretty low, so we may see this thing come down more, even though there are lots of buyers here. Here we go. I'll take 88. Ooh, bounce, no bounce. I'll take 84. No bounce either. It's pretty low here. No, no bounce. Dang. Dang, went red after that. I'm trying to chase a little. Good attempts, good attempts. 88, and then I did 84. Looked pretty good, but yeah, red volume. All right. All right. I don't think I can trade this. We shall see. Maybe Schwab. I'm trading for this. Let's see. Nope, can't trade it. That's unfortunate. It's going to be a good trade. Nice dip and rip under 80. Right there, buy right there, 90. 790, getting probably stopped out. Oh, do you see? I'm probably gonna get stopped out there. But we have CIDU. I traded this before. It's a familiar stock. So we'll see. There's a lag on my computer. So we have the volume shifting here. It's the trade here. Maybe it did. Those are at 91. Five, dip under 95. Low 90s would be good. As long as the green volume is good. Let's do it. No. Let's do 95. Oh, okay, 95 was good one. Copy, 93, beautiful. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Mm, mm. Okay. Slightly early. I wish I could have taken 04 instead. Just 1 cent of risk here. Yeah, that would have been 04. Would have been so good. Okay. Mm, okay. Losing half there. Could build a good day here. If under 03 at support. Lost support. Mm. Little micro there. 04, 03, 02. Maybe 02. Oosh, a little late there. Little late, basically in at 5. this gonna lose here. Okay. Up and down on this thing. Up and down on this stock, huh? Okay. Let's try again. We just need a handful of good trades, which we had. We built ourselves to $80 a day. But turns out some of my timing has been off. I'll take full accountability for that. But also, deceivingly, it's this, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but it's deceiving me because I want to sites up to 3.5K, but I'm losing. So it's either my timing or the stock is just moving too erratically. Or this area is just very choppy, right? Here was very good. This area was very choppy. And maybe I gotta trade less. I'm already at 23 trades basically on this stock. So I have to be careful. I have to be mindful. Maybe we get a breakout here. We'll see. Can we push through now? It's important that we can push through here. This is a very sweet spot. My stop's going to be 4. But I want to add to this because it looks very good. Mm, nice. Let's go. This area looks very good. Hopefully we don't see 5 again. Volume looks decent. 6, 7. Wait, I don't want to see 5. I want to see 7, 8. 5. I want to see 4. I'm stopping out at 4. Let's get this new candle here. 6, 7, 9, 8, 9, 10. I want to get this breakout through this level. Beautiful trade. Bang. Let's go. Let's get this trade here to 11. We're under 13. I'll take 11. Come on, dude. Wow, what a huge turnaround there. What? That's crazy. 11 to 3. Really? No way, dude. I'm sizing down. 98. Let's go. Give me 6 here. 206. I'm in a 98 and a half. This is a good spot. This is a great spot. I think we're going to reclaim here. What a huge trade I had, and then a max loss trying to take the dip at 211, which was not bad at all. Come on, give me 5. I'll take it here. Okay, down 30. Wow, that was crazy. That was insane. I stopped right there for the micro pullback at 211. What did I get in? 211, yeah, 211, 212, almost 212. Get out 203. That's crazy. Wow, what a huge turnaround of events there. Anyway, I wish that would have held 3K back over 216, another 3 cents. That's crazy. What? I took my eyes away for a second, and this is what I get. Okay, we got volatility. Interesting. Now we got shorts in trouble now. We got shorts in trouble. Mm, mm. Dang, 27 on that exit. That's a bit excessive. I think I got up sooner than that. No, that's a bit much, I think. But really gave me the worst exit thing. Ooh. Hmm. Okay, I mistimed that dip. Got caught. Like 2 cents. Oh, what a turnaround of events, huh? 32, 33? No way, dude. Really? Okay. Wow, that's incredible, man. Okay. I'm getting chopped out here on very strong stock. So we'll take dips. We'll take dips only. Yes, sir. Sizing down too. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. A good exit there, 46. We're gonna break through 50. Very erratic. Not easy to scalp. We might hit a top there at 50. I'm down 200 bucks. Could break 50 still, but we'll see. Could still get a nice break of 50 here. Let's try it. Nope. Hmm. My timing, brother, my timing. $49, $50. Huh. New 5 minute here. May see a pullback to 37. 37 pullback. I will buy it. That area looks very nice for a bounce. Come on. Bounce 37. No, it's too heavy here. It's too heavy. I don't think it'll break through 50 yet. Or I could be a mistake. No, no way. Too many sellers here. Oh, that's crazy. That would be pretty crazy, huh? Okay, let's go. Sellers. I want a massive dip below 40. Hmm. Are you coming back here with strength now? Okay. Ah, what if I wanted it 43, 44, not 44, 45. Hitting it out. Did below 40. Increasing red volume, but then we might still have a good dip here. No, no dip. No dip. I mean, it looks strong. I mean, it looks very strong. But 1 minute candles, volume bars are looking pretty weak here. This may just fall through 40s, but we'll give it a try. Small size. 40 has strong support, bro. There it is, 45. 36. Bounce back to 40. My stop will be 35 area. Yeah, don't like it. And not hit 40 yet. Oh well. Hmm. It's coming up here. I really don't think so, but change my mind. Hmm. I'm also at 30 something trades. So I gave this thing too many tries, I think. Yes, too many tries. Oh, man. Yeah, we'll see. So it's coming up here again with lower volume, but I don't think it's gonna do it. Super low volume. This is like a short. This is 100% a short. I think it'll reclaim again, but I think we may see a little lower before we see higher, maybe a higher low. 33 area. That would be a sick pattern. Crazy green volume there. I want to take a dip in the 30s. Dip in the 30s. I will do it. Keep dipping, keep dipping. Dip to perhaps 33, 34. Hmm. Okay. A little lower, please. I will even take 35. I took 35.8. Not bad. Great. That's a great spot. Even 33 still pretty good. I'll add on that, which I shouldn't, but I like this area. I like this setup in at 34. 2,000 shares. So split my order into two so I can grab that. 31. I mean, what's my order? 31? Yeah, I'm gonna take a loss here. Yeah. Uh, broke my rule of averaging down, but I split it into two, so it's a big L today. That was a good. This is the area I wanted it to bounce. But what a disaster today, huh? What a disaster stock. I deviated from my strategy a little bit, trying something new, but I guess it just didn't work. All right, gonna have to take the L 35 to 28 basically. Down 300 bucks. Think it's gonna bounce on this area here. So might give it a little try. We'll see. We'll see. I think this area is very good. There's still buyers here. I know there's still buyers in this. Make we may make a bigger move here. Hopefully we don't go to VWAP. This area is very strong. Mm. Let's see. Let's bring in the ladder, see if it can help me get some context in here. Um, Here we go. 18. Do we break through this? I hope not. I hope he can hold. Yeah, looks like we're breaking through 17, 16. Yeah, we're coming down. I think we may see a trade. Oh, where's the next area? Not here, then on the 15-minute we have this. So this is what we have on the 15-minute. 210, 211. 210 is very good. No. Alright, I'm making this thing worse. Alright. There was a nice dip there, 51. We're pretty red on the day. And we have to be careful and mindful. Volume here is pretty light on these candles. And they got little hot here. Wow. Okay, cool. So that dipped down below 54. 51. Huge rejection. Interesting. We'll see. Okay. We may have a double bottom here. Can I trade this actually? Yes, I can trade it. Okay, cool. Nice. So 5 minute looks interesting. I could buy a quick little snap under 50. That would be nice. The volume is low though, very low. Very, very low. Oh wait, we'll be patient. Okay, interesting here. We had a nice move. Well, that was 48. 48. Now, are we going to see continuation on this next candle? That would be the real question. 50 by 54? Hmm. Mm, I do want to see it. Green volume is increasing here. So any dip that I can grab. Oosh. Oosh, 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 oosh. Any dip that I can grab. I think we're gonna see a good move coming through. I think we're gonna see it. Volume's looking good. I have to be patient here. Here we go. Let me grab a dip. Come on. Let me grab a little dip. Volume is going to come in very fast and it's going to pop it right through 60. But I want to position myself well for this. $58, $57, $54, $55, $53, $52. Ooh, not liking this, not liking this. Oh, I'm not liking that. I'm not liking that at all. But it could work. A lot of rejection there. Major rejection. Dang, was looking good. It may still work. It may actually still work here. It may still work. If we can get into the 40s, low 40s, 41, 42, even 39. So 43 to the 39. If we can get somewhere in there, that would be great. Okay, can we find a redeemable trade? we're taking some time off and let's analyze what we have in front of us. I think we can make some small trades. Hopefully, it doesn't die out. Got to give ourselves some wiggle room and accept the risk that we're going to take. So if it breaks through 27, it becomes a really great stock. You have to hold over 27 though. Mhm. Mm, okay. Nice volume coming through. Let me take one share just to make sure properly lined up. Okay. So we'll see. We'll see if it's going to hold. It might reject and try again. If it does, we'll buy the dip. We'll buy this dip here at 20, 23, 24, 25. Hmm. Ideally, it finishes green. No, it's red. Close above 27. Hmm. Interesting. Not convincing yet. I mean, this area from 28 to 32 is pretty choppy. I mean, you only got like 4 cents. Then you got a 1 cent spread. And is this 1 minute candle is 4 cents. 4 cents. Okay. I got some move here. I want to take a good dip. 30, is the low of that. So maybe a dip under 30 or a 30. Let's see. Volume is pushing, which is good to see. This is a new 5-minute candle, so we're going. I hope we see a pullback here in this new 5-minute candle. I'm max loss, so I'm taking my time. I want to pick a good shot, pick good trades. 2, 3 really good trades. So, and finish the day at least minimizing the red day, which I should have done at when I was down 200 bucks. So, doing it now anyway. Let's see. Can only see a red candle on the 5-minute below 32. Later to 32, maybe 20 under 30 would be great. Like this. This is great. Fair enough. 2 cents. We'll take it. We will take the 2 cents. Just to get us warmed up, we'll take the 2 cents. And we have a nice dip there. We can retest 30 maybe. All right, coming down. Just holding 30. If it's holding 30 good, I might buy it because it might go through that level. It might go through, I'm not go through 30. Yeah, well, I guess it'll go through 30. Okay, 29 was another time. So if it hit 29 3 times, but I can't trade HX, HX. That looks good too. What do we have here? 12 o'clock. 27 is good. Nice. I'll take it out 30 if I can get 30 on this. Nice. We'll take it. We'll take, oof. I took it out 31 and a half, but it goes to 32. Good, 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 good. This looks strong. This is giving me good signals here. This is giving me great signals here. Sellers are 32 and 33. Yeah, sellers. Okay, I'll slow down there. We cut down the loss by $60. Very good. Okay, seems to be going, seems to be working there. 40, wow, what a great trade. Okay, 38, ooh, in 39 and a half. This might be a little loss. Okay, I'll take it. I'm scalping it because I'm red and come on, give me 37. That was a really strong volume, so this is good. So any dip here is going to be good. 39 dip. 38 dip, not bad. Hmm. 34, it's excellent. No, a little loss there. Looked like it was coming down. 33, yeah, okay, fine. Cut it down. Cutting it down. Like that 34 trade on a different stock, dude. That's an excellent dip. It goes to 32 and like, brother, really? Just a bit low. So we like that. If this can give any dip here, I will take it. Because it looks really great. 36 or 35. Hmm. The volume is just very confusing to me. Like, yeah, the volume is very confusing to me. Like with little volume, it's holding up. You need so much red volume to get it down, but with little volume, it's holding up. I wonder what that says. It's a good reclaim there. In at 34, got out 33. The bottom was 32. We may see 50 here, dude. We may really see 50 here. Hmm. Hmm. Sellers. Being patient and trying to pick my shots here. Couldn't break through that low of 37. So we're coming in with some volume here. We're coming in here with some volume. Nice. 43. How was this 43, bro? Okay. Not a big fan of that entry. We'll try it again. A lot of sellers there, but that's okay. 42. Okay, let's come in here. 43 and 44. Nope. Yes. Super green volume there. I'm taking this out very fast. Yeah. Okay. Well, you give it a few attempts there. This is looking like a nice breakout. Oh, interesting. Back to 45. New candle here. Bull flag. Dip and go. Yeah, too much selling here is coming down. Yeah, we're folding. Ooh, 41 instead. Yeah, I get out. Mhm. I lose money in this choppy areas, looking for the big move. When dips probably will work a lot better. So maybe a dip at 40 or 39. 39, huh? What a stock, bro. Name trusted 39. Just right there. Hold it. 30 seconds. Let's do it. 43 and a half. Okay, fine. We'll commit here. 45. Heavy sellers, dude. Hmm. Yeah, we broke it. I took 37 thinking that was the spot and ended up coming to I get filled 36, which I'm thinking, okay, right under 36, right under 37, stopped out 35. It actually the bounce was 34, and then yeah, very difficult to time. In the back of my mind, I already had these levels, 37 and 32. If I saw 37 or 32 right away, I was taking them. Saw 37, took it, but the dip was actually in between 37 and 32, so 34, 34, 35. Now we got a dip down there at, what is this? 28. So at least it's good to know that this area was accumulating. And it dipped right under it 2 times for a move higher. And the second time it moved higher. Anyway, cut down the loss by $70, which is good. If SIDU holds 20, 27, this would be an epic trade. Let me see. 30 by 31, 31 by 32. 3 minutes left on this candle, though. Let me just be patient. All right, we're gonna call it here. Disappointing day. Very disappointing day. At least I held my winners for longer. Had a good day up 161 after a massive trade on it. This IDU, but then we collapsed after a few fumbles. Yeah, one fumble, two fumbles, three fumbles, three fumbles in a row at 11, 10, 10, 15. Ooh, yeah, not great. Not great. 30, 27, 26, 24, 32, 27. Yeah. 33, 27. Jeez, 6 cents, huh? So 58. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna have to take it, man. We're gonna have to take this L. This L hurt a lot. This L hurt our confidence. Oh, this idea. Biggest winner. Such an amazing trade. I held this one. The lowest was 4. I held 4, held that, held beautiful trade. Absolutely gorgeous trade. Followed by a massive L. Dang. And I have to learn to recover, dude. I have to learn to recover from something like that. Followed by a good trade. So I did well. Look at this trade. Decided to take a 3, gave a dip back to 201, and then it freaking rallied all the way back to 229. What? That's insane. That's insane, bro. That's truly insane. Anyway, so let me give you the breakdown of this setup because these were the handful of trades that broke me basically. And basically these three over here. Actually, let's go through them later. Let's go through this setup. And after those three, it was really hard for me to recover. Yeah, it was so tough for me to recover. All right, let's go through this one. So I'm gonna take an entry right here, get out 214, waited for that setup, held through my held. Actually, didn't get stopped out. I wanted to get stopped out 203. That was a good spot to stop out. 204, I'm still holding. I'm in at almost 206. So 204, I'm still holding. This candle doesn't go down. Low this candle 205, so I'm looking good. And bang, I get that breakout. Boom, big winner, up 161 on the day. Take a micro pullback, 211 with big size. What size am I taking? I'm taking 3,000 shares. I guess not the biggest size, but from taking 2,000 shares on the previous trade and on other trades as well, I had taken 3K to get small winners. So 3K there, in at 211, 212, out 203. Man, that thing dropped so fast. What is this? 4 second trade. It dropped so fast, I stopped out. Then I'm looking at it, it's like, okay, come on, like, wake up. Don't just surrender. Buy 298 and a half, very good entry. Sell 203. Little did I know this thing was going to come back all the way up. And there you have it. So that was the set of trades that kind of put me back to flat, sort of. Then came these handful of trades. We got a bad trade right here. I don't know what. I don't know what happened. We got a bad trade right here on a dip. Try to get 24, get in 26. Or I don't know what happened. I don't recall. I'm trading too much. That's another thing I want to mention. I'm trading way too much and I'm taking 20, 33 out 27. Dude, what? That is so bad. So bad. So bad. So, whatever. We're going to take it in the chin. We're going to have to take it in the chin, man. It is what it is. I'm trading too much. 55 trades is ridiculous. I'm going to pick my sights up and pick my shots and trade less. That's what I'm going to do. Nothing changes if nothing changes. So that's the theme of the day. That's the theme of the day. I'm going to reflect on this today, but nothing changes if nothing changes because we are flat on the month and we can't do this. $100. What were the commissions today? I'm actually curious. Like $10. $13 in commissions. So nothing changes if nothing changes. Giving back 75% of yet last week's, that can't be happening. Way too much of a big loss. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, let's see. Actually have a tool for that. Winners versus losers. 8 and 8. 50-50. Wow. So, oh man. At least Mr. Profit is helping me analyze my trades. So I'm happy about that. So 8 winners, 8 losers. Slightly better my winners. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm trading way too look. 58, 55, 50, 53, 50, 49. Dude, I trade less. Yeah, that can't be happening. Anyways, all right. Trading less and sizing up. Back to discipline. And I have to be disciplined. There's no other way. Nothing changes if nothing changes. I'll reflect on that. Come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. This is helping me, at least I'm not losing. Mr. Profit has helped me keep my gains because I can see it, I can reflect on it, I can click on this, I can journal right above all my data. I can see how well I do on just this stock. Say I've traded other stocks, which I do most of the time. Just look at just my stats on this stock and really reflect on that ticker alone. Um, and yeah, my P&L basically seeing this momentum, right? Other platforms don't really have this. Like, see how drastic that change is, and see how I realized in 1, 2, 3 trades, 4 trades, I'm down pretty big. So that specific section, that specific moment, it's something you reflect on. I have to reflect on as a trader, see what happened, what triggered it, reviewing the tape, reviewing my trades, reviewing my stats, and Mr. Profit is it's the right place. It's the right thing for you. So please come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. The community is growing. Happy about it. Check out our features, but join us for $5 a month. Very nice. It's very cheap. I don't make much money. I don't make anything out of this. Most of my money comes from trading. You know. So I think I'm just willing to basically give this for free. Like I'm giving out a free month as well. It's a 7-day free trial plus a free month. So take advantage of it. The community is growing. It won't be like this forever. Connect with me. Send me a message on Discord. I'll be happy to help you in your trading. I'm struggling, but at least I'm keeping it profitable. And this month, I'm going sideways. I'm not losing money. I'm not red. I'm going sideways. And sideways is a sign of profitability. It's a sign of you're doing something right. Even though I may feel like crap today, but I'm doing something right. And I just need to make small tweaks. And man, these days are just gonna fly. Next year, I'll be ready. Mr. Profit my trading, everything will be ready next year. Anyway, so come over to Mr. Profit, join us for 5 a month or 50 a year. And I will see you on Discord. Bye bye.